education, we are able to go out, meet people, meet educationists, meet high people in the society, and then go for other tours.
Business for management and technology from the USA. They also had an important touch with us and pride to have.
My name is Anika. I'm visiting Ghana for the very first time from the United States. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, but I currently live in the DFW area. This experience has been so amazing. I'm just so excited to see how excited these students are about learning in the STEM fields. They're very knowledgeable. You ask them a question and they know it right off the bat. It's just awesome to see children who really appreciate and understand the importance of education. The questions that they asked were engaging, and you can tell they are doing their homework. And I'm very excited, and I feel blessed to be here.
Hi, I'm Tanya Gibson. I'm visiting Ghana from Kansas City, Kansas in the United States. It is such an honor and a pleasure to be here at the African STEM Academy and the laboratory Creator Lab that was donated by my fellow Jack and Jill Sisters of the Brooklyn chapter. And Jack and Jill, we are committed to the well-being of all children. And so it's such an honor to see how our community service has benefited the kids of this wonderful STEM Academy. The kids are engaging, they're wonderful, they're knowledgeable. My heart just is so happy interacting with them. Their enthusiasm for learning, their thirst for knowledge is so apparent. So I commend you for the work that you're doing here in Africa, and I look forward to coming back here again.